Hi everybody, welcome to Hobtech Cars. Today is part 3 in the series on my Celica Gen 7 JDM import. I'm going to talk today how I basically refurbished and restored the front bumper on this car. As you can recall from the previous video, the front bumper of this car was in a bit of a state. So as you can see in the video, there was just bumps and scrapes all over it. Someone had spray painted the front lip before to touch it up, but a lot of yellow splashback had come back on the front grille, so it was in a bit of a state. So the first thing I did here, I decided to take the bumper off the car. I have a separate video describing how to do that. I'll give the link in the description of this, but essentially take the front bumper off the car and it was a bit easier to work on. So the first thing I did was pop out that black center grille from the front bumper with the yellow overspray, and I gave it a very light sanding with 1000 grit sandpaper just on the surface and sprayed it matte black with some generic paint from Aldi, and the effects were amazing. It took maybe 2 minutes to do, and the grille just looks so much better. Because I sanded the grille, I know the paint is going to attach to the surface correctly. The 4 clips on the front bumper were also in a state. They were all rusted and damaged, and basically I needed some new ones. So I got 4 new ones from Toyota. I'll include the part number in the description. So basically I took the original ones off and replaced them with these ones. And it just means that the front lip is going to attach to the bumper a little bit better. And if I need to take off the bumper again in future, that it'll be a little bit easier to do. So when I took off the front bumper, as shown here, some of the support clips on the lower lip were broke and damaged. I'd say they've been like that for years. Not to worry though, I drilled holes between the bumper and the lip and I actually tie wrapped these back into the body, and it's helping to support that lower lip now, and it's not sagging as much as it was originally. Next step was to fit the fog lights. So I bought a fog light kit from a scrapyard in the UK. I've been sitting on these a while. I tested them against the battery and they all work fine. So first thing I did, wire brush off all the rust. Then I had some satin black metallic paint to spray paint to kind of hide up that rust on the car. Next step, I went back to the front bumper. As you can see, there was a lot of paint imperfections, things that needed to be touched up. I did that with my touch-up pen. So finally then, time to tackle the fog lights and wire them into the car. It was a simple job. The wiring loom was already there. So it was a simple bolt-on job and plug into the existing wiring loom for these fog lights. Then it was essentially reattach the front bumper with the fog lights now in place, and away we go. End results, the front bumper looks way better. No more yellow overspray. The fog lights look smashing. There's no more little scratches or scuffs in the bumper. It's all polished up very nicely. Here's how the car looks with all of the paint correction complete. The car is looking really well. I fully paint corrected the whole body of the car now. It looks really good. As I've said in other videos, I think the paint on the car is about 9 out of 10. It's in really good condition. I still have some future jobs that I'd like to do, like respray the wing mirrors, fit my SS2 steering wheel. I have a set of UK spec dynamic side skirts that I might also fit as well. I don't want to take away from the originality of this car, but I think they could really suit the car nicely as well. So a short and sweet video from Hobtech Cars today. If you liked the content, please do remember to like, comment and subscribe, and keep an eye out for some new videos coming soon. Thanks a million, take care, goodbye.